Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign up from B1g Player. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First open B1g Player. After opening, wait for 5 seconds. Now you can see that the app home page. This is my service for B1g Player. You can also get all over world channel movies and series. To sign out from B1g, click on setting. After that, you will see many features of B1g Player. To sign out from B1g, click on sign out. These options are available on all devices. Then click on yes. Now you can see that you successfully signed out from B1g. Thanks for watching.